The uterus, also known as the womb, is located in the pelvic cavity of a female. It is a thick-walled muscular structure that lies in the midline, as we can see here in our image of the abdominopelvic cavity. The uterus is about 8 centimeters in length, and it's actually roughly the size and shape of an upside-down pear. If we change our perspective so we can see a sagittal section of the abdominopelvic cavity, we can understand the location of the uterus and its relationship to other structures a little better. As we can see, the uterus sits between the bladder and the rectum and is connected to the vagina inferiorly. Okay, now that we're familiar with the location of the uterus, let's explore some of its anatomy. The uterus can be divided into 4 key parts: the fundus, the body, the isthmus, and the cervix. As you can see here, the fundus is at the top of the uterus and is situated above the entry points of the uterine tubes. Moving inferiorly, we have the body of the uterus, which is also known as the corpus. As we can see in our illustration, the cavity of the body is shaped like an inverted triangle due to its connection to the isthmus and both uterine tubes. Implantation of the blastocyst normally occurs here. The isthmus is about 1 centimeter long, and as you can see, is the constricted part of the uterus between the body and the cervix. Lastly, we have the cervix, which connects the uterine cavity to the lumen of the vagina. The cervix is approximately 2.5 centimeters long and has 2 openings: the internal os, which opens into the uterus, and the external os, which opens into the vagina.